Hello friends, let's develop a C program of star pattern triangle. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Now let's start. First Turbo C, save it. First include header files. These are the three variables I, J, K. One variable is for rows, one is for column, and one variable is for spaces. Then it is a num. For how many rows do you want to create? Clear screen. Enter rows slash n for new line, scanf, percentage d, num, for. First we will execute the for loop using I variable. I will initialize I 1, I less than equal to num I plus plus. This is to create the number of rows. For example, we have entered the value of num as 5, then I loop will be execute up to 5. 5 rows will be displayed on the screen. This is for space. This for loop is to create the space in the triangle. For example, I is equal to 1. Okay, first j is equal to 1. First j value is 1. Then j is less than equal to num minus I. That is num. For example, we have entered the value of num is 5. 5 minus what will be the value of I first? 1. Okay, 5 minus 1, that is 4. Then the condition is true because first the value of j is 1. 1 is less than equal to 4. Okay, then j plus plus. This is to create space. Then k, and this is the for loop to create star pattern. I, this is for new line, Let's first test it by pressing Alt plus F9, no errors. Then we execute it by Control plus F9, and number of rows 5. This is the output. Then again, if we have given the value as 10 rows, then 10 row of triangle pattern will be displayed on the screen. Hope you liked my videos of C programming. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.